Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this wonderful Audi A5 Sportback TDi Sport. Now this is a 67 registered vehicle, so new model, and she's finished in the Scuba Blue metallic. Now the car itself is sitting on the 17-inch alloy wheels, which are in superb condition all the way around. Very nice specification car. So we've got the factory option of the Scuba Blue metallic. On the outside of this vehicle we've got parking sensors, or the Audi Parking Plus, front and rear. We've got the privacy glass in the rear windows as well. All the wheels are in absolutely stunning and fantastic order. Now when we PDI this and detail it, we will remove the wheels, we'll wash them inside out, paint the calipers and the disc so that it looks brand new when you come to collect it. Looking down the sides of the car, the vehicle is finished in exceptional order. There are no dent man or trolley dents. You can tell the car's been parked away from the curbs, away from anything that might blemish the paintwork, because it is absolutely superb. I'm going to show you all the wheels. They're all riding on branded tyres, Michelin premises, so get an idea for the type of person that owned the car, that they're driving on branded tyres all the way around. At the rear of the vehicle we get the parking sensors again, and then we get that lovely tail chrome trim. On the SC models and the Sports we get the electric tailgate, and then we get this huge boot. Now remember, these vehicles are made on the Audi A4 chassis, so you get the same size boot as you would do on the estate car. And then look at that, a space saver spare wheel. Most cars now don't get a spare wheel, do they? So yeah, it's nice to have one of those. We've got the first aid kit etc in that storage, and a little bit of a parcel shelf, but then a load blind there as well. Press the button up on the tailgate there and it electrically closes. This car also has the reversing camera, which again is a nice option, as with the parking sensors. Looking down the driver's side, that mirrors the passenger and is all in absolutely A1 condition. Again, the driver's side rear wheel is in excellent order and is running on a Michelin. So we've got 4 Michelin tyres, we've got 4 wheels in absolutely as new condition. The paintwork is fantastic on this vehicle, having only covered 33,000 miles. Now when we open the door we're greeted by the black full leather interior, so very sort of similar internally as the S-Line. We do have a couple of S-Lines on stock as well if you wanted an S-Line, but loaded with technology. So we've got power folding mirrors, 4 electric windows, we get the lovely aluminium detail throughout on this car. We've got electric seats. As I say, the full black leather interior is in wonderful order. Silver contrast down the centre of the console again is in aluminium. Manual car. We've got cruise control. We've got then the clocks are all easy to read. We've got, I'll just fire her up here for you, 33,777 miles as we start her up. 3-zone climate control, so we can use the air conditioning in the rear as well as the front. Turn the radio down, but the full car system is all there. So we've got then satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone, DAB radio, media player. We've then got the reversing camera and parking sensors. As I say, the 3-zone climate control is there as well. So you've got the passenger and the driver who can have a different temperature. Heated seats, 6-speed manual transmission. We've got then the USB and auxiliary in there. All the book pack on this vehicle is there with the Audi multimedia system, so you can play a CD and SD card. Aluminium detailing throughout is all in beautiful order. The passenger seat is as good as the driver's, and that is in exceptional condition. I've got the air conditioning on here and it's ice cold. It's 33,777 miles. But it'll go through our workshop, this particular vehicle, and get fully pre-delivery inspected to the highest of standards. Now I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper in this car didn't smoke either. Just show you all the detail close up, because you can sometimes get marks on those. We've got the 2 keys with it. We've got the automatic headlamps with then headlamp wash. But what a wonderful, wonderful car. The cockpit itself, take a look at that. A lovely driving environment to be in. Let's have a look in the rear of the vehicle, because again, that is in as new order. Just look at the seats there, they're not even creased. I'm sure somebody has sat in it, but it's very, very rarely they have. But the beauty on the this particular model is you've got 5 seats. There's the climate control for the rear. You've got the 5 seats. You've got the pillarless doors there, as you can see, so it looks like a coupe. Lovely, lovely way they do this. I really do like these Audi A5 Sportbacks. You get that coupe lines, but you get the practicality of the estate car. You've got the 2-litre diesel engine, which gives you over 60 miles to the gallon constantly. You've got a level of luxury, arguably better than any particular stablemate. But what a wonderful car. A very, very, well, a testament to the last owner, because it's in exceptional condition. So if you'd like to reserve it here in Wigan, we can take a £250 deposit. That prepares the car for you, so you only need to visit Wigan once, and at which point then we'll have the car ready for you to drive away in the same day. Have a look at our reviews, have a look at our Facebook page. You'll see lots of customers from all over the country doing exactly what you're doing now. If you've got a part exchange or you need finance, give us a call here. I'm Graham, there's Dom, there's Lee, we're the Alpha team, and we'll be happy to help you in any way. But as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.